It's the brainstorming that I find very, very helpful about TAP. It's the opportunity to, like I was saying, you know, hash out different scenarios, talk about other people's projects, talk about your own project. It's almost just creating these muscle memories, you know, of you know, how these things work, and just by being totally immersed in it, it's a really good thing to do before entirely jumping into the treaty co-production system, I think. Just to have that social time where you can bounce ideas off people, and you know, you might have assumptions that get proven wrong, and you might have knowledge that you weren't sure if it was right, but it turns out it was right, and you can help other people with that knowledge. And through that exchange, that's like a little bit of touching the hot stove. You know, you get a sense of what is possible. So it's really that collaboration with the other participants that I think leads to, you know, building up strength in this aspect of the business.